Francis Forties. The finished art is finally done, and I'm going to quickly walk you through how I got to this stage. Did this piece in Clip Studio Paint, first bringing in the final draft piece from the previous lesson. Started sketching over the top. I decided to switch from Lauren Bacall to Veronica Lake for the face. I felt she fit the femme fatale Monica a little better. With sketch done, I began the line art, and with the help of 3D models I was able to set the pose, the proportions of the body to where I want it to be. This is a great feature of Clip Studio Paint. I switched back to the Lauren Bacall because I did want to reference the dress. Got the basic shape from there and then modified it to suit Veronica. From there it was filling in the shadows and highlights on the body and the rest of the scene. Stand-up piano wasn't quite what I was after, so I went for the grand. Curtains in the background. From there it was atmospherics, switched from colour to the noir look, and the piece was complete. Which do you prefer, noir or colour?